Hello! Today we will learn most commonly used certain letter combinations in German in most easiest way. For better understanding, pause the video and repeat after me. Our first combination is A am Wort Ende pronounced as a. Zum Beispiel Frage. Leise, die Lampe. Here we also have regional differences. You might hear German mother tongue, Switzerland mother tongue saying something like Frage. It's also correct. It's just a regional difference. Our next combination is ER Wort Ende. Most of the students find this combination difficult, but it's not. Pronounced as a. Zum Beispiel besser, besser. Super, super. Vater, Vater.